Okay, today I need to ask you a question. Let's have a rip with the 75 Pro. Why we do that? Okay. That didn't work, did it? Okay, we're away. So, we've got the Air 75 with the 04 Lite flying now. Okay, so we've got some decisions to make drone-wise. I've got the Avata 2 has been returned after the crashes and yeah, the breakages. But the cool thing is, we've got a brand new Avata 2, boxed from DJI. Do I sell that and buy a more FPV drone? I have a Pavo 20 Pro come in, which I'm going to plan to put in the 04 Lite, but potentially could put in the 04 Pro as well. But it just ramps the cost up then. So the idea was to have the 04 Lite sort of fly faster, plus the risk in terms of crashing it, losing it, breaking it is a lot less then. And then I could buy something else and put another 04 Lite in it as well. So basically have more drones, more options, maybe like a 3.5 inch, something like that, with another 04 Lite in it, instead of having like one Pavo Pro that has a really nice camera in it, but limited to how hard I'm going to push it because the risk of breaking it. Where I could keep the Avata 2, have that as like a cinematic drone. It's just the temptation to fly it more freestyle, and I'll probably end up breaking it again, and just because it's so heavy compared to the FPV drones, I don't know. I really don't know what to do. So any advice? Do you think I should keep the Avata 2? Shall I get a 3.5 inch, something like that, around the sub 250 or just on the edge of 250 grams, and then I'll have the Pavo and that? I don't know. I really enjoy flying the whoops. So to have a bigger drone that handles like the whoops, I'm assuming I have to go to 3.5 inch for that. It'll be interesting to see how I go with the Pavo, what that feels like, especially with the Lite in it. Hopefully with that in it, it should feel like more like the whoops. However, it's still a closed prop. So do I get an open prop beast? You know, I could go 5 inch, but it just really restricts where and how often I'll fly it.